weird. That is super weird. Maybe it's early.
No, if that train is going up slow, and that light is like showing for train, that light's only visible for where the train's going the other direction. So it's saying that it's not safe to go that direction because another train is going to be coming through.
It might have been LLF 66 or LLF 67.